To enable Show Gesture Trail Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On Screen Keyboard. Tap Gboard. Tap Glide Typing. Tap Glide Typing switch until blue to enable Gesture Trail menu. Tap Show Gesture Trail switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.